Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your NEET examination. This question came on NEET 2021. So let us see this question first. It is a logic based question, so I'll read out the question first. Question says, for a given circuit, the input digital signal are applied at the terminal A, B and C. So these are the logic gate which have been given to you, and the input signal, it can be 0 and 5, it can be 0, 0, 5, and it can be 5 and 5 and so on, 5 and 0. Okay, so that means if it is 0, so that means no signal is there, and if it is 5, so that means signal is there. Okay, so what would be the output terminal, what would be the output signal from out of these four options that you need to choose? Okay, so we'll be doing it one by one. Suppose if this A, which is input signal, is 0, so that means here it is 0. And what about B? B is also 0. If B is 0, so here 0 and 0 you'll be getting. And C, now at this particular point C is 5. Okay, so that means 0, 0 you'll be getting 0 over here because it is an AND gate, and over here it is 0, 5 you'll be getting 0, 5. This is also AND gate, 0, 5, 0, 5, 5 you'll be getting over here. Okay, and 0, 5 must comes out to be 5 because this is OR gate. Okay, so that means if the input signal is 0, 0 and 5, so you'll be getting 5 as output signal. Okay, so either this option could be correct or this cannot be correct, and this also cannot be correct, so this can also be correct. So we have only two options to choose from. Now we'll be moving forward again. Now in second input signal, you'll be having A is 5, B is 0 and C is again 5. So that means C is 5 over here, and A is 5 and B is 0. Okay, so that means B is 0 over here, also 0 over here. So now the AND gate, so the AND of 0, 5 is again 0. Okay, and what about the NAND of 0, 5? Again the NAND of 0, 5, again you will be getting 5 only. So again 0, 5 comes out to be 5. So again you are getting 5 options. So that means the only option that you are getting is this one. Okay, because for the second signal in which A is 5, B is 0 and C is 5, you are again getting 5 as output signal at Y terminal. So that means our second option is the correct option that you must get. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.